This is Caitlin reporting live from the great debate between Diamond C Trailers and Brand X. It's been an exciting debate so far. They've covered some pretty important and controversial topics about the trailer industry. Oh, they're starting back. Let's see if Brand X can actually answer a question. Back to you, Taylor.
You didn't really answer the question here, but we have to move on. Trailer Nerd, same question. What sets you apart in the engineered beam game?
Yes, Taylor, that is a great question. Diamond C pioneered this technology in gooseneck trailers, no question about it. 7 years ago, we listened to the North American people, took the path less traveled, and have delivered stellar results for the people ever since.
Thank you, Trailer Nerd. Last question. Robert, if elected, what's your plan to shape the next 4 years?
Plan? Here at Brand X, we have a concept of a plan.
Well, you still have 30 seconds. Can you elaborate a little more?
Yeah, we're waiting to see what the industry leader's going to do. We sometimes are a little behind.
Okay. Trailer Nerd, same question to you.
Look, Taylor, it really is simple. Much like that engineered beam technology story, we've been here almost 40 years, championing the working men and women of North America. Our commitment is to double down on high performance, exceptional quality trailers that shape the way North American people do work.
Well, I think the choice is clear. Vote the Trailer Nerd.
When I say trailer, you say nerd. Trailer.
Nerd! 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 Woo!